Hey guys, I'm back with my new version of my previously released Baap of Midjourney, and it has been liked by you all. Thank you for a great response for that. And that's why I'm releasing my second version of it, where I have tentatively changed it for better processing of the image. But make sure you have enough juice in your graphics card, or it would not give you the same result, because I already have a 6 GB of graphics card, so that's why my results are getting better. So I've been using one of my prompts to generate different type of artworks as it do. So currently I've been working around with this, and I think it is slightly better than the first version. You can see these are the results that have been generated. I think you can see the enormous progressiveness and the quality. It's better right now, and you have already seen that these qualities are better. Yes, one of the examples of this. What an amazing example. You can see. So yeah, you can see the quality of the image. It has so much delicate and so much realistic ethereal type of rendering. So yes, so you can see, yeah, this is the same image that's been generated right now. So yes, so this is a second spin-off version of it, where you could literally get the best out of the model, where you could almost get amazing render, like one of these. You have seen the renders, right? So it is just the version 2 of it, because I have so many versions coming off right off. So I'm just releasing version 2.2, which is the spin-off of my first version that I've released over here. Is the size of this is near about 4 GB, and it's amazing. So to download this, I will be giving you the links below the description. Just go ahead and download it, and just give me your reviews, how you find it better, or you find it bad, or you find it worse than that, or you have anything good to share. Just share down the link below. This is me signing off. Thank you, and have a nice day. Wait, the image has been already processed, you can see. Yes. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.